I'm back. The apocalypse has spreaded more. We have to go. Let's do this. Go, 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 go. Frag grenade. Oh gosh. There's a grenade over there. Throw more grenades. Shoot them all. Oh. Shoot them. Kill them with my Desert Eagle. Shoot them all. The apocalypse. Oh snap, I ran out. Do this. Oh! Shoot them. Where am I? I'm gonna die. No, I cannot die. I cannot die. I cannot die. Matrix. Oh god. I almost died, guys. Where's my health? Damn it, I didn't bring anything. I'm gonna have to shoot him from over here. Yes. Ow. Shoot them. Kill them. Yes, it's getting day. Oh gosh, it's raining snowballs. Oh, that's it. My RPG is done. The apocalypse. Let's quick scope this fool. Shoot this sniper. Yes. Yes. Headshot. Yeah. Headshot. Breakdance. Breakdance. Oh gosh, run! Frag grenade. Throw grenades. Throw some of these fire things. I'm gonna jump off a cliff. Oh, creeper. Damn it. Stop moving. No! I have no ammo. He's gonna kill me. Die. No. Die. Yeah. Freedom. The apocalypse has stopped. The infection is still going. Yes. Kill them. Shoot these pigments. They're the most dangerous species of all time. That's it? Only one? Alright. I'm gonna jump off that building. If I could get there, I'm gonna jump it off. Damn it. Shoot him. Yes. Shoot him. Oh, he knows it was me. Shoot him. He's coming closer. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Enemy nearby. Damn. 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 Nope. No ammo. Oh my gosh. The apocalypse. Let's do this. Let's get this gun. Damn it. Alright, peace. The apocalypse has been stopped by only one person. Tune in next time if this guy finds more people. Peace.